we can use reactive hook to make a closure to subscribe to a non-reactive data. So when that non-reactive data changes, it will fire that closure. Here we create a home component and a about component. We put this about component in this home component. Let's add a props to this about component. Let's give it a name A. Let's give it a type of ISR2. ISR2 type of data is non-reactive type of data. In about component, let's create a mutable variable. Let's give it a name B. Then let's call use reactive hook. First argument will pass a non-reactive data. So let's pass a reference A as the first argument. Second argument is a closure. So let's pass a closure. This closure can capture the value of this first argument. So let's give it a name also A. In this closure, let's just use web sys to console log this A variable's value. So ref A dot into it will return this closure to this B variable. So let's call this B variable. In home component, let's create a mutable state. Let's give it a name count equal to, we call use signal hook. Let's give it an initial value 0. This count is reactive data. In this about component, let's pass a non-reactive data A. We will call count.read method. Then dereference data to get the inner value, this ISR2 value in this signal. So this is non-reactive data. Then let's create a button. Let's add the onClick event. In this button, let's increase the inner value in this signal by 1. So count plus equal 1 plus 1. Let's go to the web browser. You can see first it will console log initial value is 0. Then let's click this +1 button. Let's click again. So every time when we click this button, it will increase the value in this signal by 1. So when the inner value in this signal changes, we pass it as a props into this about component. So this A variable's value also will change. When it changes, it will fire this closure. So this closure will console log its value. This is about use reactive hook. Hope see you next time.